Hi, I'm Travis Wuertz of Wuertz Machine Works. I'm here to show you the main features of the TW-90 vertical and horizontal grinder. The TW-90 frame is all constructed from 1/4" steel plate, CNC laser cut and welded together. All the wheels are CNC machined from billet aluminum. The drive wheel and the tensioning wheel are specially domed and provide exceptionally precise and stable tracking. The tensioning is provided by a ratchet. Therefore, belt tension can be adjusted independent of the component placement. This is the 8" contact wheel. It's a smooth contact wheel, billet aluminum, polyurethane covered. Said the component placement doesn't really matter. Makes it nice, makes belt changes easy. The flat platen comes standard 2" by 10" grinding surface. The idlers, both polyurethane covered, 2" diameter, 2 inches wide, also make great grinding surfaces and for different contours as well. The small wheel attachment, which I'm going to go ahead and install, is a twin fork design, and it changes from one side to the other. They accept 2 different axle sizes for corresponding small wheel diameters, the smaller of which is a 3/16 axle, the larger is a 1/4" diameter axle. But they also are quick change in themselves. And flip from fork to fork. Now, like the contact wheel and like the platen, the small wheel has the tool rest quick change receiver. But I'm going to demonstrate on the contact wheel. There's a lot of things you can do with these different tool rests, and I just don't want to make it one really long video. So, basic setup, use the same bar stock as the toolbars themselves. Quick change in. A lot of adjustability, you'll have to see in future videos. Quick change out. Also comes with the table for the horizontal grinding attachment. Well, not attachment, feature. Half is contoured for the contact wheel, half is flat. Rest can be done for small wheels. Adjusted, set, somewhere in the general vicinity. Horizontal grinding work table. A lot more features we can show off, and we do a lot more videos. And you can check out all the other specs and features if you have any questions. See twurtz.com.